Looking to supercharge your PrestaShop store without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of free PrestaShop modules that can elevate your online store's functionality, all at zero cost. At FME Modules, we believe in empowering store owners with tools that enhance user experience and boost sales. Our free modules are designed to seamlessly integrate with your PrestaShop store, offering advanced features without any hidden fees. Here are a few free modules that are in high demand nowadays. On top, we have our Welcome Pop-up module. Greet new visitors with a customizable pop-up, enhancing user engagement right from the start. Next, we have the Working Hours module. Display your store's operating hours clearly, building trust and transparency with customers. One more is the Estimated Delivery Date module. Set customer expectations by showing precise delivery dates, improving satisfaction. Last but not least, we have the Add to Cart on Listing Page module. Streamline the shopping process by allowing customers to add products to their cart directly from the product listing. Apart from these listed modules, FME Modules offers many other modules for free, which you can explore from the website. Implementing these modules can lead to increased customer trust, higher conversion rates, and an overall enhanced shopping experience. Plus, they're optimized for the latest PrestaShop versions, ensuring smooth operation. Getting started is easy. Simply visit our free modules page, select the module you need, and click Download. Installation is straightforward, and our support team is here to assist you every step of the way. Want more tips and updates on PrestaShop modules? Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you for investing your time and watching our video.